So my BlitzWolf car charger has just arrived. This charger is a bit special as it has 4 ports and 48 watts of power. This can charge 4 devices simultaneously with a current of 2.4 amps maximum. So it can charge tablets, phones and other devices all together. So I'm gonna show you the charger. I'm going to also do a load test for it. So it's compact, has 4 ports, and as you can see, power output it's 48 watts, and it has 4 ports of 2.4 amps at 5 volts. Also has a small instructions manual. Okay, so I'm gonna prepare some gadgets to connect to it and make a power test. For the test I'm going to use a small sealed lead acid battery. I'm going to connect the alligator tips to the battery and have a car cigarette plug here, adapter. I'm gonna plug in the charger. It has a blue light to see that it's working. I'm gonna first test its voltage. Let's see, it has 5.18 volts and no load, which means 0 amps. Okay, so first I'm going to start with my phone. It's a large 5.5 inch screen phone. The original charger, it's with 1000 milliamps, sorry. I'm gonna use its cable, plug it in. The phone is charging and it draws about only 500 milliamps, around 500 milliamps, but this is known with this phone. Okay, also this small diagnostic utility also has a voltage drop. I'm gonna leave the phone connected to charge. Then I'm going to connect this 7-inch tablet, which has a 2 amps adapter. I hope that you can see it here, 5 volts, 2.0 amps. I'm gonna take its cable out of the charger. Gonna see if I can fit this for a test. Yes, I can fit it here. I'm gonna connect it to the tablet. So the tablet is charging and we are drawing almost 1 amp. I'm gonna take the charger out, the charging doctor out. I'm gonna plug in only the tablet, so the tablet is charging. Next device, I'm going to connect my dash cam to it. The dash cam has this adapter. It has an output of 1.5 amps. I only have this short cable as it's a mini USB. I'm gonna plug the camera in. And it's already started. I'm gonna select this option. Okay, so the camera is running. The battery is out, so it's charging. It's also charging the battery and also running in the same time. Okay, so we have 3 devices that work. We'll continue. I'm going to connect an old GPS. It's a 7-inch GPS with Windows Mobile. This has its own adapter, which has an output of 1.5 amps, just like the dash camera. I'm gonna use a longer mini USB cable. I'm going to plug this also in. And this end will go straight into the GPS system, and it's charging its battery. I'm gonna also turn it on. So this also takes power from this. I'm going also to measure the power drawn from the battery to the charger. As you can see, all the devices are running and charging, including the camera. I'm going to disconnect the power from the battery and use my multimeter to measure the current drawn from the battery. Okay, I'm gonna take the negative, I'm gonna put it here, and then with the measuring. So as the devices start to take up power, you can see the amps drawn. They also vary as the devices have a different state of charge, and also when the screens turn off, they draw less power. So if I turn on the tablet screen and the phone, you can see the current is going up. Camera. So it's around 1.3 amps at 12 volts. I was having problems going over 2 amps with all these devices. I thought that I only was getting 24 watts of power from the charger, but you can see the problem is from elsewhere. My battery is over discharged, and you can see that the charger is doing something. It's switching off. You can see here the charger is disconnected. It tries to charge again and then it disconnects, so it has a built-in protection. Also the voltage probably is too low to charge all the devices. I have also set the brightness on all the devices to maximum to use more power, and also the GPS, it's searching for satellites, so it's using as much power as possible. So it seems that even with almost dead battery and all the devices connected, all with screen on at maximum power, somehow this little charger made by BlitzWolf still has some surprises left in it, and it's able to charge all of this. Bye bye.